today we will talking about envelope. What is envelope? So as we know, this is envelope. इसे कहते हैं लिफाफा. लिफाफा की विशेषता होती है कि जो इसमें पत्र डाला जाता है, इस पत्र का आंतरिक भाग पूरा लिफाफे के आंतरिक भाग को टच करता है. ये होता है लिफाफा. इसी को बोलते हैं एनवलप. मैथमेटिकली इसकी क्या परिभाषा है, इसको हम लोग डिफाइन करेंगे. सो नाउ वी डिफाइन व्हाट इज एनवलप. ओके, सो इफ ए कर्व touches all the member of a family of curves. Okay, and it touched by a member of the family at each point. Okay, at each point of it, then that curve is called the envelope of the family of curves. The envelope of family of curves. Okay, this is the definition. Let us suppose this is a parabola. Y square is equal to 4x is a parabola. So for this parabola, the straight line y is equal to mx plus a upon m, where m is a parameter. Okay, then this line touches parabola and this parabola is envelope. Okay, so this is question number 1 and this is 2. So this is 1 means this is parabola, and for different value of m, this touches the parabola. Okay, this is tangent, this is tangent. Okay, this means this parabola is envelope. Okay, so this is the envelope. What is envelope? If a curve touches all the member of family of curves, this curve touches all the member of family of curves, means for different value of m, this is a straight line touches for different value of m for this parabola. Therefore this parabola is envelope. Now working rule for obtain envelope of family of curve. Okay, so what is working rule? So let us suppose equation of family of curves is f of x, y, alpha equal to 0. This is equation of family of curves where alpha is parameter. Okay, so first we will differentiate partially with respect to alpha equation number 1. Okay, so differentiating partially with respect to alpha equation 1. Okay, so we get del f by del alpha equal to 0. This is 2. Okay, now our aim is to eliminate alpha between 1 and 2. Okay, so next step is eliminating alpha between 1 and 2, so we get equation of envelope, okay, of the family. So this is the working rule, okay, means if we have, this is family of curves, so first we choose what is the parameter. Here alpha is parameter, so differentiating with respect to alpha, this equation. So this is second equation, and then we eliminate alpha between 1 and 2, so which is required envelope, okay. This is the next example. Find the envelope of the family of curves given by x square sin alpha plus y square cos alpha is equal to a square, where alpha is parameter, okay. So solution is, first we will see what is the family of curves. So given family of curves is x square sin alpha plus y square cos alpha is equal to a square, equation number 1. And here alpha is parameter. So as working rule we have, first we see what is parameter. So alpha is parameter. So next step is differentiating partially with respect to parameter, okay. So differentiating partially with respect to alpha, we get here x and y a are constants, okay. So x square differentiation of sin alpha is cos alpha plus y square differentiation of cos alpha is minus sin alpha is equal to 0, okay. So this is equation number 2. Our aim is to eliminate alpha between 1 and 2, okay. So on squaring and then adding, squaring 1 and 2 and then adding x 4 sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus y4 sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to a4. Since sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1, so x4 plus y4 is equal to a4. This is the equation of envelope, okay, which is equation of envelope.